What's going on, guys? I made it back out to the Philippines, and this is Bookaway's destination guide on Boracay Island, one of my favorite islands out in the Philippines. Now you can actually go on bookaway.com and book a ferry from Caticlan to Boracay Island. It's super convenient, and Boracay is one of the most beautiful islands I have ever explored out in the Philippines. Now Boracay did have a 6 to 8 month island rehabilitation where they shut the island down, but now it's been reopened for almost 2 years, and it is absolutely beautiful with some of the most beautiful waters I have ever seen. Now unfortunately, around 60-70% of the activities are available right now because they're still reopening some of the activities, but there's some incredible things to do when you guys go out to Boracay. One of my favorite beaches on Boracay is Puka Beach, where you can find these little puka shells all over the beach, beautiful palm trees, incredible waters. Another beach on Boracay that you probably heard about that I definitely recommend is White Beach. It's connected to Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, and it's the most popular beach out in Boracay, and ever since it's been reopened, it is absolutely clean and super beautiful. Definitely one of my favorite beaches in the world, and deemed probably one of the best beaches in the world. A couple other things you can do is check out Ariel's Point, where you can book a tour and do a little cliff jumping there. Unfortunately, when I went, cliff jumping was not available because of high tide. You could also book a tour and go island hopping and snorkeling out in Boracay. Now there's tons of accommodations on Boracay. Some of the best ones are right on White Beach. There's a full strip of resorts that goes up and down White Beach, and there's tons of other accommodations around the island, which I would definitely recommend. So again, go on bookaway.com, book your trip out to Boracay. It's one of my favorite islands in the world, and thank you guys so much for watching Bookaway's Destination Guide.